7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, top. Allumage du Vulcain. Allumage EAP et décollage. Début de la manœuvre en roue libre. Les paramètres bord sont nominaux.
And we are off. Ariane 5 is blazing a trail across the equatorial
La
skies.
propulsion est nominale.
And there we see her. She's come out from the other side of the clouds, powering her way into space, heading east, out over the Atlantic Ocean. We've broken the sound barrier, Mach 1. We're travelling faster than the speed of
La
sound.
trajectoire est nominale.
And we can just hear the sound of Ariane now coming to us here at the Jupiter Control Center overhead. Thundering overhead. Right now the boosters are doing all the work. They are providing 90% of our thrust. That's the equivalent of 12 jet engines.
La trajectoire est nominale.
Boosters are pushing us away from Earth's gravity, and we need a lot of firepower to do that. Each booster is burning 2 tons of propellant per second.
Les
That's
paramètres bord sont nominaux. Le pilotage est calme.
what an average car uses in a year. The range operations manager is telling us that everything's going normally, as expected. So Intelsat Connect and GSAT 30 have started their journey. Bottom left-hand side of the screen, our altitude. We're presently 55 kilometers above the
La
Earth.
trajectoire est nominale.
Getting close now to the moment when we release the boosters, and we might even see that with the naked eye. Here we go.
Séparation des EAP.
That's what it looks like from space when we had cameras on a previous launch. And we can see the 2 boosters moving away. They have used their propellant, they've burnt it all up, and we don't need them anymore. They are falling back to Earth in a very specific pattern to ensure collision avoidance. So the dot in the middle is the Vulcan engine.
Les
That's
paramètres bord sont normaux. La trajectoire est nominale.
our launcher, and the 2 dots on either side are the boosters. That's the main stage engine powering its way away from us, powering its way into space.